हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। अभी भी मज़ा नहीं आया। गुड मॉर्निंग, दैट्स द स्पिरिट। ओके, सो हाउ इज एवरीवन डूइंग? गुड। अभी भी पता नहीं लग रहा, गुड वाले ऐसे जवाब नहीं देते। सो हाउ आर यू डूइंग? ओके, नॉट कन्विंसिंगली गुड इनफ। हाउ आर यू डूइंग? अच्छा, ओके। बहुत सारे लोग उतने जोश वाले गुड नहीं है, तो अगर मैं पूछूंगी कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है तो वो है पढ़ाई करनी पड़ रही है। यस, इज दैट राइट? कितनी लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है कि पढ़ाई करनी पड़ रही है? एंड लेट्स बी ट्रू, राइट? आई सेड आई एम ऑन योर साइड। ओके, फॉर श्योर आई एम ऑन योर साइड। सो कितने लोगों को पढ़ाई करनी पड़ रही है इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम? इट्स ओके, यस, आई वांट यू टू रेज योर हैंड। ऑलराइट, व्हाट अबाउट दिस साइड? ओके, किसी ने 2 हाथ भी खड़े करे हैं। परफेक्ट। एंड कितने लोग हैं हु आर हैप्पी टू लर्न? ओके, सो हैप्पी टू लर्न इज और आर स्टिल आउट नंबरिंग द वंस हु हैव अ प्रॉब्लम की पढ़ाई करनी पड़ रही है, राइट? सो लेट्स टॉक अ लिटिल अबाउट दिस एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट। ये तो करना ही है, गाइनियम्स तो करना है। यस, अच्छा, लेकिन हम जो ये मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? What do you think? Why are we putting in all the efforts that you feel you are putting in? Maybe getting up early in the morning, sleeping very late in the night, maybe missing a couple of meals, staying away from your family, right? Not watching enough movies, yes? Not spending enough time with friends and family, yes? That's like a lot of compromise. Do you agree? Yes, it surely is a lot of compromise, and each one of you are doing it. Whether you like it or not, but you're doing it. Yes, so why are you doing it? Because I believe कि जब तक वो why clear नहीं होगा, it will always feel like a burden. Do you understand this? जब तक हमारा why clear नहीं होगा, whatever you do, आज कर रहे हो, कल कर रहे हो, 1 साल बाद कर रहे होगे, कहीं पे as a specialist काम कर रहे होगे, right? So tell me, whatever efforts we are putting in, okay, and there are a lot of compromises on the way that we are doing, but why are we doing it? Did I ask you to do it? Okay, did your parents ask you to do it? Okay, great. Which also I will come to. Any of you who really know why you're doing it? Or, okay, I want a PG seat. Yes? But why again? I mean, you're already MBBS graduates, you're doctors, yes? And I'm sure you could have done anything else as well. तो जब आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो, मतलब मुझे कोई ऐसा डाउट नहीं कि आप कुछ और नहीं कर सकते थे. Yes, मुझे उस बात में कोई डाउट नहीं है. Each one of you is brilliant, hardworking, okay, relentless workers. So you've reached this far, and I'm sure you can do anything else that you want to, right? But we are doing this for whatever reason. Somebody says their parents wanted them to do it. Someone else says they want a PG seat to do it. But then again, we are not solving the why. Okay, that's not the why. What difference does it make when you get a certain rank and when you don't get a certain rank? Let me ask you like this. Suppose you get a rank of, let's say, 20,000, and suppose you get a rank of 200 or 2,000. What difference does that make? Options. So now I'm getting to keywords. Okay, entire class of mine is going to be about keywords. They have to ring in your ear all the time. ठीक है, कान में वो कीवर्ड बजने चाहिए, तभी हम वो डिफरेंस भी क्रिएट कर पाएंगे. So somebody said options. So what do you mean by that? मतलब रैंक 200 पे मेरे पास ऑप्शन होगी कि मैं X ब्रांच कर लूँ, X कॉलेज में कर लूँ, ठीक है, एंड आई एम हैप्पी. 2000 पे शायद X ब्रांच ना मिल रही हो मगर X कॉलेज मिल रहा हो, ठीक है. 10,000 पे शायद वो X ब्रांच भी ना मिल रही हो, X कॉलेज भी ना मिल रहा हो. 20 पे जो भी हम करना चाहते थे वो नहीं मिल रहा हो. फिर क्या होगा? फिर क्या होता है? सो आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि अभी आप ये जो कर रहे हो वो क्यों कर रहे हो। मैं आपको वही समझाना चाह रही हूँ। Freedom is a very, very broad word and it means different things to different people in different phases of your life. Okay? आप जो भी कर रहे हो ना, ये आप अपनी freedom के लिए कर रहे हो. Because then you will be doing and spending the life the way you want to do it. Not what others will be imposing on you or not कि यार कुछ है ही नहीं तो यही करना पड़ेगा. And when you do things that you want to do, no matter how much hard work you have to do in it, you are always going to be happy. And I mean it. I am in a branch which is so-called a very hectic branch. Some people call it people tortured in this branch. But yet there are so many people who take it every year and are doing great in their life. And despite the hard work, they are happy. Which means कुछ तो अलग है. वो क्या अलग है? Match. It's a match. I am doing what I wanted to do. So now whether you make me work 8 hours, 10 hours, you give me a meal, you don't give me a meal, it is a choice that I made. And because it is a choice that I made, and I'm not going to blame people around, I'm happy with the choices I made. I'm happy with the lifestyle it gives me. Yes, there are going to be ups and downs. Not every day is going to be the same. मेहनत हर जगह करनी पड़ेगी. कहीं भी चले जाओ, कुछ और भी बन जाओ. There is no shortcut in life. तो जब हर जगह मेहनत करनी है, even if you belong to very rich families, even if your parents say अच्छा मेरे पास ये रखा है मैंने तुम्हारे लिए, do you know that there is still no guarantee that you will have a smooth life? Do you understand this? So you know you have to understand कि जो भी हम करने वाले हैं आज से लेके throughout your life, it has to be what we want to do. Imagine अगर आप ये नहीं कर पा रहे हो, और मैं काफ़ी बार ये मैंने बात पहले भी छेड़ी है क्योंकि ये रियल लाइफ इंस्टेंसेस हैं. There are a lot of girls who come to me कि जब हमारा सिलेक्शन नहीं होता हमारे मम्मी पापा कहते हैं अब ये तो हो नहीं रहा, अब शादी कर ले, कुछ तो कर ले. But that was not how she wanted to live her life at this very time. She wants to be independent. She wants to earn something so that she has a social security, a mental stability, and maybe she has the capability of holding herself up in tough times. The same holds true for boys also. Parents ने बोला अच्छा ये नहीं हो रहा, चल दुकान लगा लेते हैं, या मेरी दुकान है उस पर बैठ जा. You might still earn money. Do you think दुकान वाlas don't earn money? They do. Do you think it's an inferior thing? No, it's not. Anybody who is surviving, striving and giving a good life to their family, वो कुछ ऊपर नीचे नहीं होता. ठीक है? But he did what he wanted to do, and you have to do what you want to do. If you don't take the right decisions now, then you will be doing something which is either thrown at you, okay, which you never wanted to do, or you will be doing something which was just available. So जो भी आप कर रहे हो, जिस तरह की भी वो मेहनत है, जिस तरीके का भी वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज है, क्या आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है कि आप सिर्फ अपने लिए कर रहे हो? To have better options in life, therefore lead a life that you want to live. I'm not saying it won't have hardships. ऐसे दूसरी साइड से देखने में लगता है कि किसी और की जिंदगी में कोई हार्डशिप्स नहीं होंगी. There are plenty in everybody's life. They will come and go. But in those tough times, if you are doing what you really want to do, it keeps you mentally stable. It makes you have a purpose in life. And it makes you always disconnect from one thing, at least for some time, and focus on something else. Life is about all the things, right? So इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब थोड़े टाइम में आप बहुत मेहनत करने वाले हो हॉस्पिटल्स में. देयर इज़ बहुत जनता है जिसको आपकी ज़रूरत है. आप बहुत मेहनत करने वाले हो आगे, और आप वो किसी XYZ के लिए करते हो. मतलब समझ रहे हो XYZ से? दे आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू यू. यस, दे आर नॉट योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, दे आर नॉट इवन योर डिस्टेंट रिलेटिव्स, दे आर नॉट इवन योर फ्रेंड्स, but you go all out for them. आप अपना खाना छोड़ दोगे, बुखार में भी काम कर रहे होगे, तबीयत है नहीं है, 24 आवर हो गए, 30 आवर हो गए, आप काम कर रहे होगे. So you are doing it for someone who is not even, connected to you in any which way. So when you've decided to go all out for anyone, okay, without any compromise, then do you think trying that out for yourself is justifiable? जब हम किसी और के लिए कर सकते हैं तो अपने लिए क्यों नहीं? मतलब मुझे बहुत कभी कभी ये अजीब लगता है कि हम हॉस्पिटल में एक अननोन पर्सन के लिए पूरे दिल जान मेहनत सब लगा देते हैं, पर जब अपने पे आता है तो हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करते हैं कि थोड़ा कम कर लेते हैं. क्यों? जब हम किसी और के लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं कर रहे तो अपने लिए क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं? राइट? So let learning not be a burden. Okay? It should be a happy place. We have to be happy with what we are doing. Okay? And then the outcome also turns out to be really happy. You have to like what you do. It's not a burden at all. You will, some point of your life, you will, आज नहीं, क्योंकि तुम अभी छोटे हो और I've been through the same phase. जिस फेज में अभी तुम हो, उस फेज में आपको नहीं रियलाइज होता कि आप क्या हो. थोड़े से और बड़े हो जाओ, 2 decades और बड़े, and there will be a point in your life where you will realize, thank God I'm here, and I swear by every word I say, because you know what you will be able to do is going to be something great. And I don't want to even start on the personal note. But there will be a time in your life where you will again come back a circle and you will say, thank God, I'm here. How many of you are first doctors in your family? I'm proud of all of you. And everyone around you will be proud of you. आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आप क्या चीज़ हो. मैं बता रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं अब उस फेज में आ चुकी हूँ. आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आप में कितनी कैपेबिलिटी है, कितनी क्षमता है, आप कितना कुछ कर सकते हो, कितनी पावर है आपके हैंड में. आपको अभी वो रियलाइजेशन ही नहीं है, और जिस दिन वो हो जाएगी आपको अपने ऊपर गर्व होगा. एक बार हुआ था ना जब MBBS क्रैक करके आए थे, फिर से होगा और बार बार होगा. So despite all the negativity around, despite so many unfortunate things happening, there are a lot of good examples also. The thing is that social media, we don't want to share good examples. But अगर थोड़ा सा भी मुझे मानते हो, थोड़ा सा भी भरोसा करते हो, तो believe me, you are a blessing. Each one of you is a blessing to the society that you are in. And before I actually start off, I'm really thankful to each one of you that you chose this profession to be our legacy. You please protect yourself, okay? Try and be your better versions. That's why you are here, that's why you're trying to do better, that's why you're trying to get a better rank, okay? Eventually, the dots all fit in. They may not seem fitting in right now. They will. It fills me with immense pride. Okay? And there is this weird satisfaction that I get. So, let me ask you again. If given a chance, would you want to be a doctor again? Yes or no? Yes. And it will become a more convincing yes as you go through what you go through. Okay? अभी के लिए सिर्फ मेरी ये बात मानो कि तुम्हारे में बहुत क्षमता है. खाली रैंक लाने की बात नहीं कर रही मैं, वो तो तुम ले ही आओगे, पहले भी लाए थे. ठीक है? मेरी सोच और बहुत बड़ी है तुम्हारी क्षमता के बारे में. I want each one of you to opt different branches, do great work in different branches. We need good doctors in every branch. कोई branch छोटी बड़ी नहीं है, as long as you want to contribute by doing the best of what you are doing. So, you're all great people, and I'm really thankful that you all took MBBS, the harder path, Despite that you could do anything else as well, which might have been easier, might not have been, there is no guarantee. But before I start off, I really want to say thank you. Okay? Many people might not have said that to you, but I would say thank you for being who you are. Thank you for opting to be in this profession. Thank you to choose to be our legacy. Okay? And whenever you face difficult times further on, remember that deep down, we're really grateful. We may not express it so many times. We are. Patients are. Their relatives are. Your parents are. Everybody is. It's just that sometimes I'm realizing how often we should tell people that we are grateful to them. Okay? So today, irrespective of where you have been so far, what has been your rank, what have you done in your MBBS, irrespective of everything, I am just grateful to each one of you that you chose this path. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Yes, I'm not just saying it to say it, I mean it. Every word I said, I mean it. So I'm really grateful. Yes, so you just now take a plunge, think that this is what I am doing to create better options for me, so that I'm happy with what I am doing. That's it. Okay? Light, heavy, सब comparative terms हैं. But eventually, whatever we do, उससे खुश होना चाहिए. Lucky we have something to look forward to. Yes? Do you agree? Every day you should have something to look forward to. Whether it is a class, be excited about it. You're going to learn something. Yes? So there has to be some quotient of excitement in your life, which is what it was when you were younger. That's the only change which has happened. जब आप छोटे थे, you were excited to do everything. There are going to be multiple things in your life. There is family, there is work or career, there is health. All is very important. And they are all interconnected. ठीक है? So हम अपना भी ध्यान रखेंगे, वो प्रायोरिटी पे रखेंगे, क्योंकि तभी बाकियों का रख पाओगे, समझ रहे हो? ठीक है? Physical health, mental health, excitement. Okay? And then we will just try and do whatever best we can. Nobody has to be rank 1. Do you get it? आज के दिन हमारा गोल ये होना चाहिए हम कल जो थे उससे थोड़े से बेटर आज हो जाएं. That should be your target. Please don't give yourself targets which put a lot of pressure on you. Let's take it slow. Let's take it one day at a time. Let's just try and be a little better than what we were yesterday. And if we are doing it on a loop, nobody can stop you from becoming the best. It's just when we don't put in the efforts, तो वो स्पाइरल खुल जाता है. हर दिन लगाएंगे तो वो स्पाइरल बहुत बढ़िया बन जाता है, इतना अच्छा बांध देता है चीज़ों को. वैसे ही होगा. You put in little efforts, all your efforts are going to be spiral together and you're going to be a force. है ना? स्पाइरल एक स्प्रिंग होता है, तो खींचते हैं तो कितनी जोर से वापस जाता है. It has a lot of force in it. And that's the force you will have with little spiral every day. We can't build it in one day, but let us build it day by day. So will you take one day at a time? Yes? And do whatever best you can do. We're not comparing with the person sitting next to me. Okay? You are your individual entity. Know about yourself. Knowing about yourself helps. Where I lack, what I'm not good at. किसी और को नहीं बताना, but खुद को तो बताना ही है. And with that insight, you can just improve thousand times. Okay? So on that little note, I'm going to say thank you for giving me an opportunity to be a part of your journey. It is my arena to do whatever best I can. But still, every class is an opportunity for me to be in journey of someone new. So either you would remember me for someone who had an impact, or you would forget me that, okay, there was someone who came and went. So I am looking for a deeper impact. So this day matters to me. Okay, चाहे आपको ऐसा लगता हो कि क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, पड़ता है. हमें बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता है. ठीक है? So I don't want to miss on any opportunity that is given to me. So I'll try and be my best. Okay? Give out whatever best I can in whatever way I can. Are you ready to do the same? Everyone?